Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see Snapchat stories on your iPhone step by step. So first of all, open your settings app, then tap on general. After that, go into iPhone stories. Here, scroll down and find Snapchat from the list of apps and tap on it. Here, you will see exactly how much space Snapchat is taking on your device, including the app size and documents and data. For example, mine shows an app size of about 310 MB and documents and data around 3.5 GB, which means Snapchat is storing a lot of cached files and temporary data. Now, if you want to free up some space, you have two options. The first one is to offload the app. Simply tap on Offload App and your iPhone will remove the app itself while keeping your data safe. Once that's done, just reinstall Snapchat from the App Store and your account will be restored. Now, the second option is to clear Snapchat's cache directly from the app. For that, open the Snapchat app, then tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings. Here, scroll all the way down, then tap on My Privacy and Data. After that, tap on Clear Data. Then select Clear Cache and confirm when prompted. This won't delete your memories or chats. It only removes temporary files to free up space and make the app run smoother. And that's all. That's how you can see Snapchat stories and manage it easily on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone and Snapchat tips. Thank you for watching till the very end and I'll see you in the next one.